Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the most common culprits. Grip down to about 4 out of 10 pressure so your wrists can release. This prevents an open face at impact. Once done, move the ball 1/2 club back to encourage a slightly earlier impact point and reduce left to right side spin. Make sure your feet and shoulders are square to the target line. Misalignment sends the swing path out to in and creates fade. Begin swinging with these adjustments, feeling the face work through impact. You now focus on the motion that creates fade. Shallow your downswing to stop an outside to an arc. Imagine bringing the club head down inside the target line. At the same time, feel a purposeful rotation of the club face to close slightly through impact. This reduces open face spin that causes fade. Make sure you shift weight toward your front foot to about 60% by impact. A backweighted strike often leaves the face open. Repeat slow practice swings, and you finish by reinforcing a balanced follow-through with chest facing the target and hands past your hips. This confirms a connected swing and full release. If the slice or driver fade persists, check grip strength and confirm the club face sits neutral at address. Too weak a grip keeps the face open. If you overcorrect and start pulling or hooking, reduce how much you close the face or open your stance slightly. Practice with measured swings until the ball flight stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.